Welcome to this week's episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Well, just a few months ago, the office I'm standing in right now was a storage area in our administrative building, and now it's the brand new home of our food service department. This is one of the many improvements that happened over the summer. Let's meet up with our maintenance department to take a look at some other projects that were completed.
Well, as you know, as students and staff go home for summer break, we still have a core group of staff members who stay here and prep the buildings to be ready. And then also, we have a great department here, the maintenance department, that gets projects done that are around the district.
This was the busiest summer we've ever had in the maintenance department. We started out at Kinsner. We removed a bunch of pavers that were a tripping hazard, removed a bunch of extra concrete, and planted grass and trees, made the front entrance a lot nicer. From there we went to the preschool. They rerouted the drop-off, so we added a sidewalk from the student lot at the high school all the way to the preschool with steps and railing. We added a new lane so that buses could go left and right out of here to relieve some of the congestion after school's out. Whitney Elementary, there was a drainage issue in the parking lot that was never addressed. We ran 600 foot of pipe to a drain, eliminated some wasted space, planted some grass over there to eliminate that. Over at the administration offices, we took an old storage room and split it into two for business services. Now has two offices for the secretaries and for Steve. Over at Muraski, we installed a new fence and new playground equipment that the PTA had purchased. I can't say enough about the guys that work here. We got a small group of guys, there's only 8 of us. And to get the projects we get done takes a lot of planning and a lot of special skills. And I have a HVAC certified technician who goes out there and does concrete with us. I mean, nobody's above doing any of the work. We're all out there working together and we all split it up. I mean, it's just an amazing group.
Not only do they do great work and they work well together, and because of the hard work that they do and because of their willingness to do some of these things, we're able to save the taxpayers a lot of money by staying in-house to get these things done. So not only is the project quality, we control timelines, we control the biggest thing that the taxpayers should be concerned about, of course, is we control the cost.
So as you've learned, we're very blessed to have a talented group of gentlemen helping make our district a better place. As always, thanks for watching and go make it a great Mustang week.